guys, it's Mike.
And Hallie, and today we have some of the Disney Tsum Tsum little collectibles. You collect them, you stack them, they're so adorable. They come in different sizes, as you can see here, and they come in different size sets. We have a smaller set, which is $4.99 at Target, and we have a larger set, which I think was $9.99 at Target.
I couldn't even tell you.
It might have been a little bit more than that. I could be wrong. But you can see there are some little tiny ones, and then there's some bigger ones. So basically, like say for the Cheshire Cat, you can get him in this tiny size. You can also get him in the medium and in the large. So for each pack, you could get different sizes. Like some of the packs had a large Cheshire Cat. And on and on.
So each figure you can get in all these three different sizes.
And then you can stack them on top of each other, which will show you that as well. And this pack here has a mystery Tsum Tsum
3,
inside.
6, 7, 8. That's a 9-pack, I guess.
3, 6, 9. Yes,
Yep.
So we have the little Cinderella off to the side. So we have a mystery character. And these are series 1. So I'm guessing they're going to be doing more of these. They have a collector's guide inside. And I'm a little bit addicted to these.
Like, we haven't even opened them yet.
This is our first time opening them, but I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get them all. Like, they're so cute. But the fun thing is you can trade them, like, with your friends.
Yeah, there you go.
So I think that would be really fun.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up.
Okay.
Okay, so I got my pack open. Here's the checklist I pulled out.
Yeah, Michael's doing the little pack first. Which is kitty cat. So we got a kitty cat theme going here.
It is. That's a kitty cat thing.
Okay, so let's show you guys the checklist so you can understand a little bit better how we're talking. So, like, for instance, if you're really into Mickey Mouse, you can collect the 3 different sizes and then you can stack them. So look at how many...
What's it? Perry!
Look at how many there are to collect.
Oh, that's it. So there's not that many.
But there
are.
Considering
I mean, Disney's library of characters.
Look at the Sebastian. Oh my god.
Well, I got to get me a Perry.
Okay.
So I guess we got to get more of these.
I like the Daisy. Chelsea loves Daisy, so we're gonna have to do. Look at
Oh,
Dale.
did we get a big? Oh, we got a big Goofy.
Yeah, we got a big Goofy. She likes Goofy as well. And for Chelsea, we'll have to do the bigger figures because I think the smaller ones are going to be too small for her.
Let's go.
So these are for ages 6 and up because they're a little small.
So there is the Cheshire.
Look
and now
at how tiny it is.
They're a rubbery plastic. I mean, they're solid. There's no squish to it.
Oh, and Alex and I love the Cheshire Cat, so we're going to fight over that one. I want to feel it. Oh, yeah, it is hard. Okay.
Yep, they all are.
This is Marie.
No head turn or anything like that.
So that is Marie. And then I guess we can go ahead and kind of start stacking, huh? Look at the little bow. How cute is that? So the Cheshire Cat can go on top of Marie. And this is Figaro. So this is Minnie Mouse's cat, Figaro. So cute. And then what you can do is you can stack them.
So they're like the little plush things. These are just like a vinyl, I guess.
Look at that. Okay, let's see if I can pick it up. Show you guys closer. Talent. I'm so talented. Those are so cute. I actually really like the teeny tiny one. That's so cute.
Okay, go ahead and
so
yours.
I kind of like opened it and just took the whole pack out. So we'll start with the larger ones. I have a Goofy. He's really cute with the little hat. And he's got the colored body and just the little feetsies. And it says Tsum Tsum on the bottom. And they even have like numbers and stuff on them. Probably for
are they numbered?
Probably for like collector purposes. Not like number, but it's got a number imprinted on the bottom.
Well, no, if you look on the packaging.
Does it have numbers?
We are numbered.
Oh, yeah. Those numbers aren't on the bottom, though. There's the mystery one. Okay. We have a large size Dumbo. I say large because they're the large ones of the package, but they're
small, medium, and large.
Yeah. So look at the detail on Dumbo. He's so cute. These are kind of like a soft plastic, too. Like, to touch. Does that make sense? It's hard to explain the texture.
I don't know what you're going for, but okay.
We have Digger, TTFN, Ta-ta for now. Look at his little tail. Oh my goodness. So there is Tigger. Now for the medium size, we have Gus. I can't get him out. Come out of the package. We have Gus from Cinderella. So he's the little mouse from Cinderella. Look at his little teethers. So cute. His tail is kind of like painted on. It's raised a little bit, but like Tigger's tail is really big. His is kind of small. So let's put Gus on top of Dumbo. Because we can. And now Stitch, which Alex is going to want because she loves Stitch. So we got
so it's a medium Stitch.
This is a medium sized. He's got the print and he's got a little nub tail. And then the bottom is like a light blue. Who should we put Stitch on top of? Tigger. Oh no! Here. You stack. You're better at that.
These don't stack. Well, I guess they are pretty easy. Like the plush ones, those stack really easy.
Yeah,
I guess these are pretty
aren't
easy.
Quite as easy.
I mean, they fall to the side a little.
We have a Cinderella. So here's Cinderella. She's got kind of like the dress design on the back. We'll put Cinderella on top of Gus. Although his little hat
gets in the way. Yep, she
in
hangs
the way.
off the back.
Oh,
gonna be
that's
like that.
really balancing. Olaf. We have an Olaf. He's so cute. Olaf can go on top of Stitch. And then one of my favorites, Minnie Mouse. She's so adorable. Look at her little dress. She's got like a little ruffle on the edge of her dress, which is cute, and her little tail. And then her little feet. Now we have to open the mystery one. I don't know what size it's going to be.
It looks a medium.
It feels...
Just from the size of the pack.
It feels a medium. Let's hope it's something different.
Oh, you've got the checklist.
From what we
I don't know if there's special edition ones or anything like that you can get.
Yay, this is a good one. Winnie the
Pooh.
Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Aw, he's so cute. And he'll be good to go on top of Tigger. And then put Minnie Mouse on top. So these are adorable. I totally want to get more of these. I want to start collecting them, and I think they'd be really cute on display. Plus, they're fun to play with because you can like stack them and stuff.
Okay, since we got them all displayed here, it's not the best angle there. Favorites?
Oh.
I'll go with Pluto. Or Goofy.
Goofy. It'll be between Cheshire Cat and Minnie Mouse. Because I love those two characters. So those are going to have to be my favorite. I also really like the Dumbo too. So we want to know from you guys which one is your favorite. Leave it in the comments below.
And thanks for watching, guys.
Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.